Not sure if your roof needs a simple repair or a full replacement? Here's how to tell. If the damage is isolated, like a few missing or cracked shingles, a repair might be enough. Minor leaks caught early can often be fixed without replacing the whole roof. But if you see widespread wear, curling shingles, or sagging areas, that's a bigger problem. If your roof is nearing the end of its lifespan, constant repairs may cost more than replacing it. Severe storm damage can also compromise the entire structure. When in doubt, get a professional inspection before spending money. Repair when it makes sense. Replace when it protects your investment. Follow for smarter home maintenance tips.